Question number 26. The background count in a laboratory is 20 counts per second. So now comes the concept of background count. Okay. So BG is given to you. The initial background count, observed count, the rate of a pure sample is in lab is seen to be 180 counts per second. Okay. So this is your A0. The half-life A0 is equal to 180. Okay. And then the half-life of nitrogen is 10 minutes. This is your T half is given to you. What is the expected readout rate after the sample after 30 minutes? See, background never changes. Okay, background remains the same whether it is today, tomorrow, until unless your environment is changing, it will not change. So what you need to now do is, in any problems related to this, okay, so what you need to do is take the initial activity and then subtract the background count. So how much is it? This is 180 minus, what is the background count? The background count is 20, which should now be equal to 160. This is your actual count over here. So 160 you get. Now what you do is, what is he asking after 30 minutes, and 10 minutes is the half-life. So 160 is the actual count at t equal to 0, and after that what do you need to do? So at after one half-life, after 10 minutes, what will happen? This will become 80, and after another half-life it becomes 40, and after another half-life, because 30 minutes, right? After 30 minutes, 10, 20, 30, 30 minutes, this becomes 20 over here. Now what is this value here? This is the value without considering the background. Okay. Now, when you measure it in meter, when you use your GM counter and measure this value, what do you see? You get with the background. So, which means what? Now, you should add plus 20 here, okay, right? This is your background count. So, totally, this should be 40 over here. This should be 40 over here. Thus, 40 counts per second is the answer. Remember, in such kinds of problems, what you need to do? If the background count is given and the actual value is also given, first subtract it. Then find out what is the count, okay? After subtracted value, and then you add the background count once again, and then you finally get the answer. Okay, very simple. Understand the concept here.